Hello, welcome back to this World Olympiad Mathematics and International YouTube platform. Today, day 186. A nice two world-class geometry. Through video series, I am showing pure maths, probability, geometry, algebra, trigonometry, any type of problem solving through this video series. Those who are intend to go international type of mathematics contests such as Olympiad from school level, zonal, provincial, regional, and so on is world number one because three media Sinhala, Tamil, and English. So thank you so much all the subscribers. Please newcomers subscribe this and share all over the world for any type of college, classroom activities, students, groups, or teachers. Anyone can use it. Uparima support on the Ganitanya Bikarmapi. Okay, come back today, day 186 here, nice geometry. Let's read the problem. This is a triangle ABC, right? BE equal AE. That means E nadupulli AB madhya laksheka. May Rajikona 90 degrees, here Sengonam 90 degrees, right? So D is 2. If I mark D is 2, okay. DC is 10, right? Okay. And DEB 135 degrees. DEB, this angle 135 degrees, right? Then find the AC. Actually, these are not a book problem, school level syllabus, not something tricky, challenging. You have to apply some lines, constructions, or any more geometrical principles. So actually, we need some construction for this diagram. Nirmanaya avashya venawa. ආපු ගම්ම ගන්න බැරිවේ බලපු ගම්ම ගන්න බැරිවේ කණ්ඩ උඩනේ බොඩ எடுக்க முடியாது அமைப்பொண்டு தேவைப்படும் but the nirmana construction maybe so many methods, right? I am doing here what I know man danna method ne man karanne. See my method. Can I produce this? මේක පුරා දික් කරමු. You need to rather straight line and produce this. This is my construction, right? It's a straight line, produce straight and on a straight line. Okay, the straight line, something like this. A, B, C, D, you can see F here. Okay, that's my method. Produce it, right? Now see here, this is 135 degrees, you know, straight line. 180 tane, so 45 degrees maker. Here 90 degrees, therefore here 45. The sum of three angles of a triangle. Sum of three angles of a triangle, accordingly you can find it. Straight line, 135, therefore 45, right? Here 19 a straight line, so here 45. So this is an isosceles triangle, samadhivipada trikonam. Irisamapagga mukkonam. So make a samanai neda. So can I take x here? So here x. So many x paths, right? Right? And it's right. Okay. So can I find the x value? You can use Pythagoras. By using this Pythagoras, I have answer for chance for FE or EF part. This is 2, right? See, furthermore, I always say, Lamai, when you answering a geometry problem, school level, no matter whatever, this kind of, try to complete the picture. Complete the diagram, right? Here 19, here 45. Therefore, this 245 degrees, because take the big triangle, the biggest triangle, also an isosceles triangle. So here 10, right? So this 10, you know, grade 10 local syllabus in a triangle, if two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, right? ஒரு முக்கோணத்துல இரண்டு கோணங்கள் சமனா இருந்த எதிர்பக்கம் சமன். In a triangle, two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Conversely, angles equal, opposite sides equal. Samadhivipada trikona, kona deka samanainam. Pada samanai, right? Opposite. So here 10. So completely 10, here 10, opposite 45. So here 45, completely 10. Here's 2, therefore 8. So I want to find my x answer. X age hoyagathana wede goda. Now see in triangle lassana leela thiyaganda lamai wadi walidi vechukongal triangle BEF, right? In triangle BEF, what is Pythagoras relation? X square plus another x square equal opposite 90 hypotenuse square, right? X square 2x square equals 64. So x square answer 32 ned. Balam avasya x square answer 32. Otherwise x answer is what? Square root 32. Can I write the surds form? Karaniyakara surd vadivam. 32 is 16 double, right? 16 double. Take the 16 outside. That is 4. 4 முறை வர்க்க மூலம் 2 centimeters, so you need, right? So I found my x answer, okay? So I know this x, they are for same part here x. So I know the AB value. AB is known, right? AB part is known. What about, can I find the CB, another right angle triangle? CFD, triangle CFD lamai. In triangle CFD put double under. In triangle CFD, this is 10, here 10. So can you find the CF answer? You know a BF, you know BF value, then you can find the BC value, I think. So after find the BC, another right angle. So nice problem involving Pythagoras relation, completely Pythagoras theorem prayogam pavikkavanam. Okay, next Lamai Balamopi, take this triangle CFD, write the Pythagoras for CFD. What is CF square? Okay, what is CF square Lamai? 10 square plus 10 square, okay. So CF square answer, I don't say 200, I say 2 times 10 square. Okay, 2 times 10 square, therefore CF answer, put the square root, apply the square root, okay. Therefore CF answer 10 square take out 10 root 2, okay. CF answer 10 root 2. CF answer 10 times root 2, but x is 4 root 2. Therefore this is 6 root 2. Therefore BC answer 6 times root 2, right? BC answer 6 times root 2. Finally, question is find the AC. Neyamai lassana prashna. In triangle ABC gandalama yadangarasa muggone ABC yadangal. See triangle ABC. Once again apply the Pythagoras relation. Here 90 opposite side AC square equal this 2x square, 2x square. Okay, 2x square. This is 6 root 2 square. Pythagoras application, right? But at the beginning level, this triangle important, produce these and produce these. Then only it's become easier without any complicated. Nirmana ita ativisheshtai. Okay. So AC square saman. What is completely square? 4x square, okay. And what is completely square? 6 square 36 neither. Vargamula deka square 2. Now damudapi. What is x square lamai? What is x square? 32. 32, okay. So 32 times 4, 128. This is 72. 200, is it? Just AC square 200. AC square 2 times 100 or 200. So what is AC answer? Put the square root 2 times 100. Otherwise square root 100 is 10. So the answer 10 times root 2, right? Answer 10 times root 2. 10 times root 2 is the answer. a nice workout, challenging geometry. Okay, right, come back, another nice question involving geometrical theory part. Today day 186. Newcomers, please, there's a message to get my perfect method solving of my this video series. Please follow from video number 1 or day number 1. Continuously you follow, then you can take a nice advantage of this my video series. I have worked more than 400 plus questions up to now, a superb level of geometry, algebra, trigonometry, arithmetic or techniques questions, any type of, for any kind of Olympiad level contest. Okay, come just read the problem clearly what this triangle says. ABC triangle, AD is the median, madhyastha, right? AD madhyastha, idayam tambihala, mukkonathukku idayam balamu. ABC triangle, AD is the median, right? AE equal ED, AE equal ED, okay? C is 4, right? CE perpendicular, CE में AD लंब वे 90 செங்குத்தாகும், right? Find the AB answer. Stop. What is median of a triangle or statistics? Median of a triangle, yanu kumakda madhyastha. So it's the note. Median of a triangle is line joining from one vertex to the mid of the opposite sides of a triangle. Line joining from one vertex එක උච්චයේ සිට ප්‍රතිමුඛ පාදට මධ්‍ය ලක්ෂයට යා කරන රේඛාව. ஒரு முக்கோணின் ஒரு உச்சியிலிருந்து எதிர்பக்கத்தின் நடுப்புள்ளிக்கு வரையப்படும். Therefore make a median කියනවා, right? Okay, that's right. So what, how to find is A equal ED3. Here 3, okay, kalabala natuwa, part by part we improve like the previous question. The problem is find the AB value, right? AB value. So I think here also you need some construction. Pythagoras, this Pythagoras relation, 3, 4 triples of Pythagoras balama sankhya tunak mundu nalanda, apply the Pythagoras relation and you can find that part answer is 5. This is 5, neda. Same part here 90 lamai, therefore here 5, okay. This is also 5. So there's a construction, better solution, find the construction, easy my method. Produce this line, produce this median, right? Produce the median. For that, from here draw a perpendicular. Make a dikkaranda lamai, can I say B, C, D, E, F here? Produce it and from here draw a perpendicular, right? That's my median producing and this construction, right? You know Pythagoras, this part, okay? So can I this theta, make a theta here with the angle here 3, theta. Therefore this also theta, the theta, right? So you know something here, what is tan theta, what is tan theta, trigonometry, my trigonometry. What is tan theta? 4 over 3. Opposite divide by adjacent, tangent. What is sin theta? Sin theta 4 over 5. Sin theta 4 over 5. Opposite divide by hypotenuse. So you know here theta, here theta. This also right angle triangle. This also right angle triangle. So this triangle, what is sin theta balamulamai? What is sin theta or tan theta? What is sin 4 over 5, right? There was same sin theta here, 4 over 5, 4 over 5. Wow, make a 4, hello, right? Apply the Pythagoras once again, this 3, 4, 5. Opposite 90, longer side hypotenuse, right? Therefore make a 3. See, wow, the wow problem. Uparima supporter dila onna fill karagatta. But the question, find the value of AB. Find the value of AB. This value you have to evaluate, calculate the AB. This every part okay. This is right angle triangle. Balana rassana prashna. right angle triangle, Sengona Mugoni Tambihala. So here 4, here 3, 3, 3, 9. Okay, 4 and 9. When you complicate, I can draw the diagram separately. So see this right angle triangle. So right angle, how to draw the right angle here? Something here, membalamuko 90 degrees, right? What the name? This is A here. This is F, okay, and here B, right? So what is A? What is F? 339, okay. What is BF? Hello, there is 4. So what is AB? Apply the Pythagoras square root. This square 81, this square 16. Therefore, the answer 97. A wow problem. Okay, Niyamai. Lasana prasnam. So I can show regular base this kind of question. Those who are preparing for forthcoming your provincial level exams or international or national pool or Olympiad from through Columbia University exams or anything, follow regular basis by advantage or through my this video series. So please subscribe and share this. We'll see you next time, day 187. Okay, bye.